2013 is a historic year for Wales as they prepare to stage their first continental final tournament in the shape of the UEFA Women's U19 Championship in August.
They're going very, very well at the moment, I have to say. We're building up to the date, obviously, and indeed that if you can imagine that first time ever that Wales is hosting such an event is a big, big plus for us. And indeed also the development of women's football in not just Wales, all over the UK and Europe, but in particular in Wales, where we are very, very keen on developing. We've only just started a new Super League for women. Okay, it's only been going on for approximately 2 years, but I believe that in time that will be a success as well.
The aim is for the final tournament to build awareness and participation in the women's game in the country, developing an upward trend in Wales.
At the moment, it is building up. It's already built up in the last 12 months or so. Recently I was in a local club and there's almost more young girls and women playing the game of football than there was men, so we're glad to see that.
The overall picture brings a smile as well. Wales will stage the UEFA Super Cup in 2014 and opened a national development centre earlier this year with more than one eye on tomorrow's generation.
Obviously it's the development of the game and bringing in youngsters in and the young players in to develop. There's going to be absolutely a new building, new pitches and everything. And to me, it's the way forward. And unfortunately, Wales is quite a difference between the north and the south, travelling wise. And hopefully that one day that I'll be proud to announce that we'll have a development centre also up in the north, which I think we should have.
The final tournament of the UEFA Women's U19 Championship will take place between the 19th and the 31st of August. As one of the participants, Wales will be hoping to be competitive on the pitch. But already, one thing is for certain, that the other 7 competing nations will have a warm welcome when they arrive.
Yes, I'm a fluent Welsh speaker. There's only, I think, 2, maybe 3 of us in the FAWales that can speak Welsh. So I will say to you, mae'n groeso mawr I chi yn Gymru. Mae Cymru yn adnabod pawb dros Gymru gyfan. Yn rhoi croeso I chi gyd I de ag I bobl o tu allan i'r Gymru gyfan. Yn Ewrop, croeso mawr I chi a gobeithio nwch chi mwynhau eich hunan yn y de ag yn wlad y gân.